Hello! In this video, we're going to review how to make an appointment with tutoring services. To make an appointment, visit tutortrack.king.edu. You will need to enter your username and password. Your username is your King Google email without the @king.edu, and your password is your birthday. 2 digits for the month, 2 digits for the day, and 2 digits for the year. We also have single sign-on, so if you are logged into your email, you will be brought directly to the TutorTrack main menu. On your main menu, you will see our hours of operation. You have the option here to sign up for text reminders. If you are using your phone or an iPad, you can click here and select switch to mobile version or pad tablet version. The first step to make an appointment, we will need to search availability. So you can select search availability in the upper left corner. Then you will need to select a center. These are the options we currently have as centers. We offer online tutoring services, writing services, public speaking services, supplemental instruction, and tutoring services in person. If you are looking for in-person tutoring, you will select the Tutoring Services Learning Commons with the room location. For this demonstration, I'm going to select online tutoring services. And then I'm going to select a section by clicking the down arrow, and I'm looking for a tutor for Math 1000. Then you can select the date, the time, and the days that work for you, and then select search. I have all of the slots that you see here in green are available time slots. I am looking for an appointment today at 3:15. You will need to enter your phone number, the reason for the appointment. If you have any notes you would like to send to the tutor in advance, you can enter them here. You also have the option to sign up for text alerts. If you would like, you can select yes. Once you've entered this information, you can select save. You will receive a confirmation email that your appointment has been booked. If you look at the upper left corner and select main menu, you will now see you have an upcoming appointment. At the time of your appointment, 15 minutes prior, up to 15 minutes prior, you can select enter online appointment, and that will bring you directly to your tutor. Hi viewers, so now I'm going to show you how an online tutoring appointment will look like. We have Giovanni Garcia here who is going to demonstrate some of the features in Zoom.
Hello everyone. So this is actually how I would go about my appointments. So we have the feature here that we can share our screen. So once I share a screen, we can actually pull up a whiteboard. And then I can have a problem ready to go right here. And then I can explain to you how to actually solve this problem. And not only that, but you can actually have the viewer participate too, just by hitting the annotation, which should be in the viewer option located above the screen.
So now, as the student, as we're going over this problem, if I wanted to write at the same time as Gio is writing, I can write here, right at the bottom, anywhere on the screen on this whiteboard, just as you would if you were in person and you were working on a problem. This function would really work in the same fashion.
And there you go. That's the correct answer.